Professional learning communities are necessary and valuable to each AISD campus and to the development of highly effective teaching practices. Grade level or content teams meet on a weekly basis to collaborate, break down standards, and to plan for instruction that will support students' mastery of these standards. One commonly created tool that scaffolds lesson planning is the Know and Show chart. This is a critical component of the weekly data meeting protocol. This protocol was developed by Paul Bambrick and is widely used in our district. In this module, we will explore it in detail. To begin, please review the outcomes and read through the overview slides. This will help to review your knowledge of the purpose and process of creating a Know and Show chart. If this is a new process for you, this will provide a preview of the process that we will explore in this module.